Cal here, and we are going to be doing a video where we open slime and we do like a little feed for you guys. We use Betty Spaghetti, and I named her Mackenzie Ziegler and Maddie Ziegler for my Barbie because we love Mackenzie and Maddie Ziegler from Kids Moms. We don't know how to say your last name, so we just say Ziegler. We have slime that we have unwrapped already, but we haven't opened, so we shake it up. We don't have to, but I want to. Sounds just like milk. Okay. Oh! You guys, it's literally just splashed out like a blob. It's just like a blob. You know the type of wet looking slime? I'm just gonna put it back in here so you guys can see the texture. You guys will know the texture. Which slime? The blue one? It's not mine, it's yours. Don't get it. I don't need it. So this is how it looks. It's like water. It's the wiggly type of slime. It's the wiggly. I'm showing you inside. And it's the wiggly type of slime. So it looks like water. So it looks like water, but you guys think it will be water, so it looks like water for me, so let's splash it. My elf on the shelf, Kenny, he gave me it. He's right there. So we touched him a couple times. Right now, my bed is spaghetti fell on him. So I picked it up, and I think he's going to go to the North Pole. It is December 26th. December 26th.
Oh, is he doing the dishes in the bathroom? I'm not going to see.
The 5th.
I didn't finish it out.
It's December the 5th? Yeah, I think it's December the 5th. And yesterday we opened our presents. No, it said today was December. Yesterday was December the 5th. So it's the 6th. So today is December the 6th, I think. So you guys tell me when it's from. So
while you're using it. Right, how's this going to work?
vlog. And right now I'm just going to be putting this slime away. We're going to be starting our scene. See you right there. Right now, this is my Betty Spaghetti. I just finished decorating her house. He did that to Baby Josh.
Dale para allá. Vamos, vamos para allá. Hey, a mí no me están mordiendo. Dale para afuera. Vamos, para acá. Camina.
¿Qué pasó?
I know he's not going to be happy.
So we're back, guys. We had a little bit of food. So, as you can see, I'm gonna pull out her shoe. Creepy, right? And my shoe just fell right here. This is the shoe. It's really cute. I like it. This is the thing, and you put her foot in this hole, her heel, and I like it. So, putting that feature back. Now her hair, you can pull it out, and you can see a little hole here, and it brings like a little top thing. I have the box of Betty Spaghetti thing. She cost $20 at Toys R Us, and they remodeled at Toys R Us. So I got her a little springy shot in here. I don't know what it's called or what I'm saying. I braided her hair, and that's a feature of her. It smells like fire. So her outfit, you can take her arms off. It's easy. And it's easy to put them back on. See, look. See, look. Wait. It's easy to pop it out and put it back in. Because these baby spaghettis, they're like spaghetti hair. I don't know what they call them, baby spaghetti. Right here. And so we're going to be be starting the video. Her head can pop out. Just so you know. We're gonna be starting the video. My cousin is. I'm gonna be playing Mackenzie. Her Betty. The Betty Spaghetti is Mackenzie. I'm gonna be playing Mackenzie, featuring Camilla Grace Taylor. Come here. She's my cousin. She's my cousin. You get up to see her. She's my cousin. Say hi. Hi. She looks like I'm playing as Barbie. Yes. Madeline. Yeah. And you can call us Barbie. Yeah. She's my cousin. She's gonna be playing as Maddie. So yeah. We're gonna be sliming her. Yes. That's a little part, a little sticky piece. So let's take off her braid. Okay, Mom. Yeah. Mom. Yeah. I need to go to school, and I think this is a good outfit I should wear. I'm gonna go to school. Bye, Mom. Bye. A few minutes later. Half an hour later. Someone.
There's a bartender come to sit with me. I'm never going to replace the bartender because that one went on the other side of the bar and chatted with me about tax while I'm on the phone. Oh, this is a weird place. What drinks can I order?
This is my doll. Maddie.
I think that's me. I'm showing up. Yay!
This is her shirt. It looks like it's a dress. Nope. I think it looks like a dress with it sewed together. Look. I'm trying to pull it down. Okay, I think this is her beautiful dress. Look at her high heels. I just slipped it off. This is my cousin, Barbie. Wait, oh my gosh. Wait, what happened to you? Oh no, my daughter just got slimed from the side. Take off her coat. Oh my gosh, you guys, she got slimed. Clean her outfit. If you get slime anywhere, like for example on this table right now, it's on the table. You have to hit the table where it's on the surface. On any spot, you put the slime on. My best spaghetti got a little dot here. I cleaned it, and she got black pieces here, which I can clean. Could we? So. I don't want her. And Barbie's arm is gonna get slime, so Barbie! No, don't slime it. Oh no, she got a pass. She got a pass, you guys. Oh, this slime is so squishy. She has the other slime. She has like the different kind. Let me go. Have a different kind. Are you talking about the floor? That's not mine. That's Sheena's. Okay, sorry, that was her brother. Camilla, Taylor.
Order drinks from the group. Juice on the rocks. Spicy. Lemon zing. Red. Zebra fish. Let's have some juice,
My friend Chelsea, she said, if I stay up too late, I don't know what to do. As you guys can see, this thing keeps on growing. Look. Now, camera girl will be going back to the camera to see if you guys can see this. Do this if you can see this. So it just grows and it just has a little bubble in here. Oh my god. No, that was her gum. That was her finger. It looks so creepy. It's like Rapunzel, but with black hair this time. Like Rapunzel in the future with black hair. Like make sure to subscribe and make sure to subscribe. Well, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and give us a thumbs up. I want you to smash that like button, and I hope you like making this video. Her Roblox. Check that Roblox video right now. Description down below. So, bye. Yep. Okay, he said bye. Slime the video. Slime it. Oh my god, it's still on. And bye guys.